आज सुबह उठ के मैंने रियलाइज़ किया माई प्री फाइनल एग्ज़ाम्स आर स्टार्टिंग इन जस्ट 15 डेज। सुबह का मौसम इतना अच्छा था कि मुझे बेड से उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा था। बीइंग अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट, monsoon is a different kind of therapy. Between books, bones, and biochemistry, this rain feels like a pause button. After a lot of procrastination, I finally convinced myself to study at 6 pm. I started with embryology revision and realized that I have forget everything whatever I read.
Oh no!
Honestly, not every day is productive. Today feels very light. No pressure, only me, my books, and the storm outside. After that, I took a short break and practiced question from Marrow, and you can see my condition. Then I again started revising. Honestly, I was just trying to mugging up as many things as possible in this short period of time. Then I started revising the renal physiology. फिर 11 बज के और मैंने वही किया जो एक समझदार बच्चे करते, बत्ती बुझा के सो गए।